Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Shngimawlein Government Upper Primary School ha kasngi palai. Shiphotere ujemang kala Rakhe ka Jubili Ksiar ha padang ka jingsong kun bat ka jing ipo ipeng. Wat lau slap bojor la penthot yang ni jing Rakhe. Penban kipat ba jong ni snong ringkat ba khana school kila sakhi ka ni kasngi ban kan mau buram bat banyai pertu ya kiso kibakani ka school kala penmi nadu pasdang yaka. Ha kani kasngi ba kemen jok school. Lai don lang umentri lang ba ka jela konrat sangma ubalong kongsan bat umentri katnat puli puthi umalak men rumbui kum usembot kongsan. Shuaban sedang ya gajing Rakhe Jubili jong ni school umentri lang ba ula play yu muat balatai ban pensa nam ya kisan pautali ki maumer ba kani school kala ya lenti bat akajuk kapor ula play ru ya ka yeng school bathamai ka ba kadang sudap sna. Lapen bernya ya ki kendam kilendan bat ya ki bala sakhi lang ha kani gajing Rakhe ka Jubili Ksiar jong school da ki jing ile kai ba pher na ki khana school bat da ki jing kren na ki rerang ba jong than ba kan thop yu ba rowel lingdo ubalong uebele barem ga mokorwan na Renekton lingdo tongkhar MLA Bamenta ga mokorwat constituency ba Herian lingdo MDC ga mokorwat bat kiwe.
And Southwest Khasi Hills and the people of Southwest Khasi Hills are very, very important to us. And I can assure you, not just road connectivity, but overall development of the district is important to us. And we will ensure that whatever work that we can do from our side, we will give 100%. That I can assure you. At the same time, I am very happy that education is getting special importance. In the very beginning when I had presented the budget, I had informed everybody in the House and the state as a whole that for this government, education most probably is the highest priority. We have a lot of difficulties in education. The education system has got a lot of challenges. And again, I'm not saying that we can resolve all those in 1 year or 2 years. It takes time. But as soon as we took over in office, I'm very, very happy to tell you that our education minister, who is very concerned about the education sector, has been working tirelessly to ensure that the right policy comes out. In fact, on the 15th of this month, we will be having the first meeting of the task force that will be framing the new education policy of our state. And we can assure you that within a few months, the education policy of the state will be out. That is what our target is. And once this is out, it will give a direction on how we should move ahead in terms of education sector in our state. And it will give us guidelines and allow us to move forward in a way that will ensure that education sector gets stronger and stronger as we move forward. We are working very closely with the Government of India, very closely with other sectors and other departments of Government of India to ensure that maximum input and maximum benefit and advantage and development comes in the sector of education.
Kikina school baro pilong prevalong ke babinot prevalong ke ba don kathong ke bakumno pikwa banlong bababin poisha kathong don kan babilong kikina ke bakul ke jimut amba kuwedo okna bangong babi lano batlot kasyong ha kajitrishkom kajampi hai mentang pengikna school tenten ngi kapundok ji kermen jengi habangi berkat bakam sarkar kaladuna ngangon kakam sarkar kaladuna handai kekam kibadai namata kibri bastak kanambur kapor menta kalade bangi kiwei pengikna school ngidai ban wak dekilat kuno ban shnala om ban pe kanu kalat kabadan kata kali berengkam ngalai keleng kasdet kajongi bagi kena menta kilolong kibriu kiba shim ya kabu kasarkar kadang kabu kibun kikabu na benta ban kentiu ya yakot kidon ki skill development program kidon kiwe bat kita program kiba sarkar kapli pidai kabarukam sam kalong pidai ban pule ladang pindon ketinang ki start pimla ban shim ya kita lagi lain kita pikwa boleh